Welcome back to Wearholic, guys. Today we have Amazfit GTR 4 in our studio and we are going to be doing quick unboxing and also share my initial impressions of the watch. This right here is the super seated black variant of the watch. You can get it in nylon and leather strap variants as well. You will find the black color case on the nylon variant of GTR 4. On the leather and silicone variants you get the silver color case. On the front of the box, you will find the watch picture along with Amazfit branding. Same on the right side of the box as well. At the back, you will find the price, manufacturing details and battery specifications. Here you will find display size, GPS specifications and other features listed. So without any further delay, let's open this box. It features a similar packaging design as we have seen on T-Rex, GTR and GTS watches, which isn't bad, but it's the same, just wanted to share it with you. So are you ready to up your game? Let's take it out. I have some thoughts, but let's keep them aside right now. You can access the side compartments from both directions. On the right, you will find a multi-language quick start guide. On the left compartment, you get access to charging cable along with a QR code on the side. So I have set up the watch. Let's take a look at the build of the GTR 4. It features a big 1.43-inch display, which I am loving. Take a look at how it looks next to Watch 4, Fitbit Versa 3 and Forerunner 245. This new tire-like crown design feels better on the finger and has kind of more friction to it. Using it feels much nicer. Haptics also seem to have improved quite a bit compared to GTR 3. The reprogrammable crown button has also been ditched in favor of the Watch 4 inspired flat button design. Navigation is still pretty much the same as the previous generation watches. The crown acts as a menu button and pressing it again will send you back or close the running app. This flat button is reprogrammable and by default opens the workout profile. It can be customized to open apps, Alexa or any other function. The strap quality has improved a little, but it's nowhere close to Garmin, Fitbit or Samsung. Luckily, these straps are replaceable and you can use any 22mm strap to replace them. To Amazfit's credit, it's more comfortable to wear than the one found on GTR 3. The AMOLED display is good and quite readable. There is also a significant change in UI design and system feels smooth overall. I will talk about it in detail in my in-depth review. One thing to note here is that GTR 4 is powered by Amazfit's all-new Zepp OS 2.0. Amazfit has also added a map importing feature that is available on T-Rex 2 on Amazfit GTR 4. Along with that, you will also be getting a strength training profile from T-Rex 2 that automatically recognizes your strength training workouts. Profile will be added by an OTA update and I haven't checked whether or not map importing works as of right now. The reason I said that is because Amazfit's promised features are usually added 1 or 2 months later. So get subscribed for a full in-depth review video. Also, one of you commented that the watch is tracking sleep even while laying on the table. That hasn't happened to me. If more of you are facing the same or any other issue, do tell me so that I can cover it in my in-depth video. That was my initial impression of Amazfit GTR 4. I have still a lot of features to use and test, so don't forget to subscribe. Meanwhile, you can check out our other smartwatch videos on our channel. I would recommend checking our Amazfit GTR 4 GPS and heart rate accuracy test while running. With that, it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.